What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna quickly show you how you can force restart your iPhone in here so you can actually fix a lot of bugs and problems. Let's say your iPhone is stuck in a specific screen, it's not responding, or something is not working fine on your iPhone and you wish to force restart it. I'm gonna show you how to do it in this video. But do not forget, consider subscribing if you find my content useful. My name is Shaq, and in this channel I do cover a lot of tech hacks and tutorials, so if you're into tech content, do not forget to subscribe. Now, jumping straight to the very first step in here, in order to perform a forced restart, which is very useful in specific situations, you need to figure out which iPhone model you do have. For example, if you do have an iPhone 8 or later models, for example, I'm running an iPhone 16 in here, which is a much recent one, the process is the following. You need to rapidly tap on volume up and then down, and then simply press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Okay, this is how it goes. 1, 2, pressing and holding power button. Please note that right now I'm only pressing the power button. Okay, press it continuously for approximately 7 seconds, and once you see the Apple logo on your screen, you're gonna release that power button. There we go, released power button as I saw the Apple logo. Now let your iPhone turn on normally. What this essentially does is it cuts all the power that is being supplied from your battery to your iPhone, and then it supplies one more time. So it's a complete restart as if it's coming from a deep sleep. And this is essentially to be done every 15 days, as I do recommend, in order to ensure that your iPhone processes smoothly and everything works fine. This deletes temporarily files which are not necessarily used, like cache files and system files which are not used. These are files that usually get deleted automatically every 10 days, but now when you do the forced restart, you're enhancing the process of your phone and your CPU, okay? So it's important to do once in a while, and it doesn't delete any data from your phone, such as your personal data or information that you understand. It doesn't delete anything. Now, if you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, in order to perform a forced restart, all you need to do is press and hold the volume down along with the power button, okay? So you need to press and hold both of the buttons continuously until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Once you see the Apple logo, you're gonna release both of the buttons combination. Now, if you have a much older device, such as an iPhone 5 or 6 with a physical home button in here, all you need to do is press and hold that physical home button along with the power button continuously until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Now, in much older iPhone devices, please note that the power button is usually located here at the top and not here on the right. So you would have to press and hold the power button at the top along with the physical home button if you do have a much older iPhone device. So this is how you essentially perform a forced restart on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.